Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just sitting here having a bite to eat, having some breakfast, getting ready to go in the shower, then to do some running around. So I'm hoping I'm able to get some content for you guys today as I go around to the different stores shopping and make it a little bit more entertaining than yesterday. I actually created a vlog yesterday, edited it and got ready to post it, and I found it too boring. Probably should have posted it anyway, but I didn't. So hopefully today there'll be a little bit more entertainment for you guys. So I'm on my way now, getting ready to leave my house to head to Ikea. I was going to do other running around first, but I chose to go there first just to see what I spend and what I buy. I'm going to buy maybe some decor pieces and placemats for my new table and a few different things like that. I'm probably going to vlog from my cell phone just so I don't look too obvious. I'm not sure what the rules and regulations are of walking through Ikea. In the States it could be different than here, I'm not too sure. But I'm not brave enough yet to hold my camera right out in public, so unless I'm outside. So I will touch base with you soon. Well guys, Ikea is busier than what I thought it was going to be. I am actually here now. They have the parking lot divided up into two. So I'm in the first area, but you can't really see it. So I'm outside of the store right here. So I am hoping when we go inside that it's not going to be too bad. And I just want to get in there, stay safe, just look around, and get what I need and get out. Smelling our new bed? Yes, you like your new bed, baby girls? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I just wanted to go over some things that I bought at Costco. It yet again is only a small haul. I go about once a week. So I had to get some more extra whipping cream. These egg thins here, I normally buy them. They normally come in 2 packs attached together of 24. But these are massive. The ones we normally buy are smaller. So these here is the ones that we normally buy. And they are extremely a big size difference compared to what I found today. So for 2 packages like this, it was $9.99, I do believe. That comes with 12 in a pack. For these here, it's a pack of 30 for $11.99, and they're massive. So I think this would be a better bang for my buck if they just had them more. They actually never had very many. But in them, there's barely anything at all. Like the nutrition label. It's like pretty much 0 on everything. And there's only 8 calories in one of these small ones. So I also bought spring mix to get some greens in my life. Some cheese. It is better to buy the block cheese, but this makes it much easier for us. Also, a big tub of pork rinds. I actually convinced 2 other customers to buy them when they were there. This older lady, she was pretty much walking the same direction I was, and she was asking me about keto and different things, so which was pretty cool. Also, I was looking for a big container of pink Himalayan salt, but this is the only one I could find. And for someone that didn't like salt before, I sure do now. These 3 things here are actually the cheese, the eggs, and this is actually for a friend. She wanted the big container too, but I couldn't find it. Also, the eggs. Normally, these eggs here are $10 for 24. Normally, I buy the flat of free range for $5.50 for 18, but that's all I had today. Got myself some mushrooms, and I got myself some salt because I need it more, and also some bacon bits. So that is it for my Costco haul today. I will, once I put this away, I will show you what I purchased at Ikea. I only got a few things, but I'm really excited to get it set up. Now you see my face. Okay, let me pick up some things here. I do have them, hold on, bent a little bit. So I did buy these placemats. See if you can see the design. But I think they were only like $1.99 for one, so I bought 4 for my table. I got a few of these cork board for putting hot things on, since everything is white in my home now. And once I paint my countertops, it will protect them. 1 second, sorry. I want to look at there, not at the screen. I did buy a dish mat for putting my dishes on. I find, if you can see it there, what I put the dishes in now, I find it gets really gross and it's hard to clean in the little grooves, and if I bought a proper brush, I could probably do it with not a problem, but that I didn't. I purchased one thing, I think my husband may kill me, but pink dishes. So I'm really excited. So my kitchen theme is going to be pink, gray, and white, along with some things that are wooden, like there's a utensil set I want to buy off Amazon. It got wooden handles and it's pink on the end. And then have some like corkboard colors, so it's kind of the same color as wood. But so yeah, it's going to be them mixture of them 3 colors. So I think that's all I have right now. I will do a video later on when I finish setting everything up of the display of my dishes and the mats and all that goodness. I just wanted to share my haul with you today. And also, once I get out of these flipping clothes, I'll probably run back out again. I do have to go get water. And a few other things in the house yet that I couldn't get at Costco or Ikea. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit of a haul. You never know, I could be adding more to it by the end of the day. I'm not sure what else I have to buy yet. So I will be back with you soon. Oh. Let me see how this works. If I don't get these together now, I won't. We'll have no table for that. Okay. I'll need another. I hope this don't make me curse like crazy. Anybody want to come do this for me? Okay. Any takers? Completely fine with you coming doing it. So they're not expensive chairs for sure. Well, can't say nothing. They cost way over $100 just for the chairs, but like what the hey? I hear music. I hope that's my roommate coming home. So I can get some help. I may get one of these put together today. Why did I buy chairs that were so hard to put together? And they both look the same way on each side, like that goes up that way, and that goes up that way. So I'm following instructions. I'm not really good at following instructions because I just do it the way I want. Most times. Megs, I know you're a big guard dog, but next page. Next page. This is so a two-person job. I'm getting it, guys. I'm getting it. This is difficult. Okay, what part goes next? This piece goes. Well. So happy. Ow. Oh, I'm not meant for this. I don't know how long it's taken me so far. Should have timed myself. Now what? I don't know why they break it up into so many parts. goes in here? These long ones again, little. Ew. This is actually not that bad. Kind of proud of myself. It's actually quite easy. I'm only new to the IKEA stuff, so putting together the tables by myself and I'm going the wrong way. The tables and the kitchen table, I had a little bit of help on the legs for the kitchen table, but that was it. Oh, she's tight. Okay, next. That's done. So now the back of the chair. I need to put in the screws. Why is there so many darn pieces? So not them screws, the flat screw. Really? They give you everything else to screw this in besides this. Get 2 different screws. What one goes where? So these ones go on the bottom, these ones go there. I need a screwdriver. Here is the final setup of my chairs, my new plates and placemats, and I think it looks pretty freaking cute. Supper tonight is just hamburger with cheese, taco seasoning, and spices. Something simple because I have to make a few deliveries tonight, and then come back and tackle all this and put all the garbage in my husband's truck so I can get to painting the trim on my cupboards within the next few days. See the trim there? Yeah, around the cupboard doors. And I reorganized my plates, all my keto products, and everything down there so it looks all neat. And that is about it. I will chat back with you in a little bit. Hey guys, it is now 12:30 a.m. in the morning and I am sitting up editing this vlog. I just finished doing the dishes and getting it all cleaned up, getting hubby's lunch ready, and just making sure things are half decent for when I get up in the morning. So tomorrow it's hopefully going to do some cleaning actually. So I have to go get rid of the garbage in my home that I have here that I just accumulated just because I've been throwing everything else out. But I just wanted to close out this video while I'm editing it because I realized that I didn't record an outro again, which has been me lately, just because I've been so busy. So yeah, so I'm just going to end it and not ramble. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I hope you've watched the whole thing, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. And hopefully more great content will be on the way. Have a great day.